Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. Ginger and these products are recommended for the prevention of mild diseases without drugs. Often, even with mild illness, we take medicine. However, few people realize that it is easy to cope with the usual products that everyone has in the kitchen. That's why we will tell you about the products that overcome the diseases. 1. Ginger is used as an analgesic. He easily cope with spasms, nausea and discomfort in the abdomen. 2. Buckwheat honey easily cures colds and sore throats. It should be added to the tea. 3. Beans contain complex carbohydrates, which induce digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels. And also it is able to reduce cholesterol and helps in the fight against excess weight. 4. Carkid mint tea. These two teas cope with spasms in the abdomen and remove toxins from the body. Also Carkid has a strong antihypertensive effect and helps to lower blood pressure. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.